Yutong's service network provides efficient after-sales support through a frontline-based direct service team and SRPS. We cover 150 kilometers average service radius to comprehensively improve service reach efficiency. Customers can initiate service requests with one click via WhatsApp or Yutong's Link Plus. Whether choosing in-station service or on-site support, we offer flexible service modes, fully meeting diverse operational needs. Standardized process management enables instant registration and real-time visibility, ensuring a professional, regulated, and consistent service process from start to finish. Our diagnostic system accurately locates faults and issues detailed reports for repairs and maintenance. Technicians quickly confirm required materials and match nearby inventories based on market conditions, enabling efficient part allocation and rapid dispatch. Supported by professional teams, intelligent platforms, and efficient logistics, we ensure worry-free services. All new replacement components are genuine original parts with traceable quality. After parts replacement, technicians use professional testing equipment to conduct a full inspection of the vehicle. After the service is completed, customers can review photos of old parts, repair orders, and records via mobile phone. We initiate follow-ups within 3 days to proactively collect customer feedback, close the loop on potential issues, and continuously enhance the customer experience and service satisfaction. Better service, always EnRoute.